Alright, welcome back sa channel natin guys. So gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo tong bagong application na nilalaro ko na kung saan habang naglalaro ka lang possible kang kumita dito. So bali ito yung literal na games application na nakikita nyo sa Play Store or App Store. So dito guys, habang naglalaro ka or habang kinakaadikan mo tong larong to, pwede kang talagang kumita dito sa application na to. Bale, kung makikita nyo sa conversation namin ng friend ko, tinanong ko muna siya kung talagang legit paying ba tong application na to bago ko siya laruin. And ayun nga, kasi na-curious lang ako kasi lagi ko nakikita sa mga post niya yung about dito sa application na to. So yun na nga, legit paying naman tong application na to as per her. Alright, so to start this game, enter mo muna yung desired name mo. Alright, so lagay na natin tong name natin dito and press next. So get notification and then allow mo lang. So tick natin lahat yan. Alright, so try na tayo ng isang game dito. So pili ka lang ng game ng gusto mong laruin dito. So I think maganda tong Hop Up. Pero before with that guys, shoutout muna tayo dun sa mga nagpapa-shoutout sa mga previous videos natin na hindi ko na shoutout sa last video ko. Alright, so shoutout nga pala kay Almaser Mongkil, shoutout din kay Faty Gabriel, shoutout din kay Kuhako Enki, shoutout din kay Johnry Bolo, shoutout din kay Sam Gaming, shoutout din kay Technical Desk, and shoutout din kay Francis Bolivar, and shoutout din kay Jerome Boss. Alright, so kung makikita nyo guys, yung prize pool is $100. So meaning, yan yung paghahati-hatian nyo once na matapos yung game offer. So makikita mo yung timer dyan sa my left side. So let's join this game. Okay. Oops. So bali guys, one rounder lang pala tong game competition na to. So meaning you can enter or play on this game as many times as you like para matry mo ma-reach yung leaderboard. So ano lang, yun nga, play ka lang ng play hanggang sa hindi pa natatapos yung duration or yung timer. And then syempre yung best score mo will be the score registered on the leaderboard. So once na natapos tong competition, yung mga top scorers will win a share of the prize pool. Ay, sayang. 300 na sana. So tingnan natin yung rank natin. Ay, wala akong na-earn. Ang tataas ng score nila guys, kung makikita nyo. So anyways, hanap tayo ulit ng ibang game. So eto, try natin tong game na to. So Dimensions Jump Pots. So kung makikita mo yung prize pool niya is $100 din. Alright, and then yung time offer niya is may 12 hours pa. Okay, and then yun na nga, one rounder din pala siya. So ibig sabihin din pala guys, kapag ka na-eliminate ka na sa game, di ka na pwedeng makapag-participate ulit kapag ka wala ka ng life or extra life. So para buyout ka ng extra life, press mo lang yung get an extra life na button dyan para makakuha ka ng another life and makapag-participate ulit sa game. So join tayo.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for
Oops. Ang noob ko. So yun, 19 score lang ako. So rank, nasa pinakakulelat ako. Medyo ano siya, mahirap sa umpisa, pero kaya siya kapag more practice lang. So ayun, may na-receive ako na notification for another competition sa Game Jam. Alright, so check natin. Alright, so yung game is Dunk Brush. Kung makikita mo, yung prize pool niya is $100 din. And yung game will start in 4 minutes. Alright, and then pwede kang mag-join now muna para ayan, makipag-chat ka muna sa other players around the world. And okay, chat muna tayo rito. So alright, so 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Alright, so draw to dunk. Okay, so ganyan siya laruin. So, i-draw mo lang siya. Alright. And then, oops. So, draw mo lang para ma-shoot yung ball. Ay! So, eliminated na ako sa first round. So, kailangan ko lang hintayin yung cooldown before the second round will start. OMG. Alright, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So, draw to dunk again. Oops. And by the way guys, meron ka lang 3 brush para mag-draw. Alright. Alright. So, ay, sayang yung isa. So, eliminated ulit ako sa second round. So, kailangan ko ulit maghintay ng cooldown before the third round will start. Alright, so wait muna tayo. Then, balik tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So, draw to dunk again. So, draw. Okay. Oops! Ay, mali. So, yun na. Wala na. Eliminated na. So, bali yun guys. Yung score mo sa first, second, third is yun yung magiging total score mo. Alright, so tingnan natin. Check natin kung ano yung rank ko. So, ayun. Wala akong rank. Grabe, ang gagaling ng iba. So, tingnan natin yung pinaka-top scorer dito sa game na to. Grabe, ang tataas ng score. So, ayun. Yung top 1 is, ayun, naka-earn siya ng $5. Second is $4.75. Third is $4.25. And from 4th to so on, may share din sila until doon sa kung sino yung aabot sa $100 na prize pool. Alright, so ayun nga guys, everyday merong mga new competitions and prizes to choose from. So ayun nga guys, you can choose from the following hit games like ito, Knife Hero, Hop Up, Winter Dodge, Color Shape, City Dunk, Solitaire, 2048, Dunk Brush, Tower Rush, Color Match, and yung Dimensions. Bali, madadownload nyo rin yung mga application na yan sa Play Store or App Store. And yun nga, pinagsama-sama na siya dito sa iisang application lang. And by the way guys, as of the moment, available pa lang tong application na to sa iOS. And as I've heard, i-release daw tong application na to sa Android 2 weeks from now. So yun lang guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa next video natin.